The Little Boy and His Mother Red Heart. A simple English story for beginners. A little boy lived with his mother in a small village. His name was Ravi. His father had died many years ago. His mother worked very hard every day. She cleaned houses and washed clothes. They were poor, but they were happy together. Ravi loved his mother very much. Every morning, she woke him up with a smile. She always said, "Study well, my son." Ravi wanted to make his mother proud. One day, his mother became very sick. She could not go to work. There was no food at home. Ravi looked at his mother with tears in his eyes. He decided to help her. He went to the market. He carried heavy bags for people. Some people gave him a little money. Some people ignored him. But Ravi did not give up. At sunset, he earned enough money. He bought some rice and medicine. He ran back home. His mother was surprised. She asked, "Where did you get these?" Ravi smiled softly. He said, "I worked for you." His mother started crying. She hugged him tightly. She said, "You are my greatest gift." Many years passed. Ravi studied very hard. He never forgot his mother's sacrifices. He became a successful doctor. He built a beautiful house for his mother. One evening, they sat together outside their new home. The sky was full of stars. His mother smiled at him. She said, "I am proud of you." Ravi held her hand. He said, "Everything I am is because of you." His mother looked at him with tears of happiness. She knew that all her hard work was worth it. Ravi promised that he would always take care of her. They lived together with love, peace, and happiness. Their story taught everyone in the village an important lesson. Love, kindness, and hard work can change a life. Red Heart moral of the story. Never forget the sacrifices of your parents. If you work hard and love your family, one day your dreams will come true.